Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily contact a Revolut support or how you can chat with them. So what you want to do is just go here to dashboard in your application, go to right upper corner to this bubble with a question mark, and here you're gonna see you can select the issue here, or you can select the topic, and you can ask for community, and just scroll down below. You're gonna have new chat. You're able to order first. Okay, chat to us. Got it. And now you're gonna have Rita is help to help you, and you just start writing here, etc. You need to write a lot of stuff, and then you'll be able to also chat with the agent. Also, what I recommend is when you go to the Revolut support here, to Google, scroll down, contact us, and you're gonna see number here or in-app chat. So this is how we do it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.